I'm in Kyogle, about 90 kilometres inland from Byron Bay. It's a very special part of New South Wales, a little subtropical pocket surrounded by spectacular rainforests and protected from cold coastal winds by the Great Dividing Range. I'm here to visit Daleys Nursery, an icon of the exotic fruit tree scene in Australia, and I'm excited. It's something I've been wanting to tick off my bucket list. Greg, when it comes to subtropical fruit, you're pretty much the A to Z. Was that always your dream?
It was. Back in the 70s, I started this nursery with my three brothers, and I just wanted to grow all the different varieties of fruits all over Australia, and we've continued that for the last 45 years. We employ about 20 people that propagate at least 500 different sorts of fruit trees. We do tropicals, subtropicals and temperates, but the big focus is probably on the subtropicals in this area.
And you don't find any barriers to people accepting it in areas where they have frosts?
We probably do, but as I say, I think growing fruit trees is just not about getting the fruit. I mean, that's the side benefit, but it's a passion of trying to grow something outside your sort of climatic range, which I find quite exciting.
Well, I think gardeners just love pushing the boundaries, don't they? It's part of our DNA.
They certainly do, yes.
Back in the 70s, the average Aussie backyard contained little more than a lemon tree. But these days, there's demand for all sorts of exotics. Daleys have grown literally millions of fruit trees and sent them out to hopeful gardeners all across Australia.